Hi, ARK fans. Welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today, in 5 minutes or less, we'll try to cover May 19 trades. And in highlights today, we have overall market value has gone down to 40 billion, actually 39.9 billion. So that's not good. We'll take a look at the overall trend, which we all know is downward, but we'll try to compare. What is the lowest point in past and what's the highest. What are the biggest moves today? We'll take a quick look at that. And there are two stocks that completely plummeted. So we'll see which one are they buying the dip and for which one they are not. Stay with me to find out more about today's trades, and I'll see you on the other side. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. In ARK summary section, we keep an eye on high-level numbers, and as you can see, the overall trend has been down. Market value has dropped down to 39.9 billion, which is 2% less compared to yesterday. Yesterday it was 40.7 billion. Today it's 2% less than that, and it's 39.9 billion. This is how it's distributed in all its ETFs. Total number of companies that they have is 270. They are maintaining those number of companies since past 3 days. And in one of the past episodes, 3 days ago, I think I featured the 3 companies that they removed, and here they added Disney. So feel free to refer to the previous episodes as well. Now let's take a look at the biggest moves quickly. Let's increase the threshold to 1% and then take a look at biggest moves by just shares, and then we'll also take a look at biggest moves by market value. There is no filter for threshold for market value right now. There is a reason behind that. I'll show you quickly, but so these are the companies that qualify for that criteria of at least 1% shares change. And something that stands out is Hexagon ABS. So this is one of the companies that completely plummeted in stock price. As you can see, it was somewhere near $97.80. It was near $100, and today it almost plummeted to $13.30. And they bought the dip like anything. So 600% more shares bought there, but overall net negative of 0.3 million. So this company is Sweden-based company, and it deals in high precision measuring techniques. And I think Tesla is one of the client as well, I think, if I'm not wrong. But feel free to research more on this. Now, since this is the biggest bar here, it's skewing everything else. So let's get rid of it quickly, just so that we give enough space to others. This is the chart sorted by number of shares bought or sold. The highest one, apart from the other one that we just saw, is One Health Life Science Care. As I hover over this, you will see more information, like it's present in genomics, the shares trend. They bought 6% more today, and the stock price continues to plummet. Compared to yesterday, it's probably kind of same, but overall it's plummeting. Continue to go down, if not plummet. Atlas Crest Investment, present in ARKX and ARKQ. They bought a lot of shares today again, and the stock price is back to where it was originally. How much it made a difference? 1.4 million, that's it. And One Life Healthcare as well, just 4.5 million, so not much. And these days anyways, their trades have been not such big trades. They have reduced it to very small amounts is what I'm seeing in general. So that's what we are seeing here today as well. Third biggest is Recursion. This is by shares count. Then you have Coinbase is the fourth biggest, present in 3 ETFs. They continue to buy the dip there as well. Stock price reaching $224.80. New Technologies, JSC, Square Inc., which ranks 3 in their funds. They bought more shares, 3% more shares, as stock price continues to go down a little bit. This is one of the biggest moves here in positive side. Coinbase, even though biggest move on share count side, it's negative on market value because the stock price went down. Let's also go over Blade Air Mobility. Again, slightly positive, so 1.6 million. Then you have again one more which is positive here on the share side, but negative on the other side, 908 Devices Inc. And then you have Repair Therapeutics. Then they sold some companies as well, but they are net positive on those. For example, Nintendo, net positive of 1.8 million, even though they sold 1.5% shares there. Let's see the biggest negative ones. Teradyne is the biggest one, where they sold maximum number of shares, but market value wise it's 6.9 million only. Then you have Intercontinental Exchange, Pure Storage, Tencent, Novartis, Nintendo we just went over, Cyros. The biggest one among all these is this guy, even though they bought more shares since the stock price went down. Coinbase is the biggest red. Now let's also take a look at one more thing. So if I remove this, if I reduce this further, you will see the biggest move by market value. So let's increase that even more, and then we'll just sort it quickly on this side. Yeah, so the biggest one is Iovance Biotherapeutics. The stock price plummeting there. So this is the second company that has a big big trend downward. Well, trend was downward, but all of a sudden it dipped quite a bit today from somewhere near $30 or somewhere near $28 down to $16 today. But they did not buy the dip in this case, since they have been selling these shares already for quite some time. As you can see, they sold more today by 1%, present in ARK and ARKG. So that's the company I wanted to show you. Other than that, Tesla also going down mainly because of stock price, even though they bought more shares of Tesla today. Teladoc Health ranking high in ranking number 2 after Tesla, negative again. The sold just trimmed a little bit and the stock price has gone down and hence negative. Roku again, negative 32.3 million. They trimmed the position just a little bit. Skills, they continue to maintain the position pretty much. They sold 0.8% there, but the stock price has gone down and hence the overall it is down. And they maintain a very big position in this. So, yeah, a little bit of difference in stock price makes it go down quite a bit. Coinbase, Zillow Group continues to go down in stock price, and they trimmed the position just a little bit. Coinbase, again, they bought more. We went over Coinbase just now. Fate Therapeutics, Beam Therapeutics, then you have Unity Software, continue to maintain the position or add the position. Stock price kind of going down. Overall trend is down. Palantir, number of shares, as you can see, they continue to buy more and more. But today they trimmed it just a little bit, 0.7%, as you can see. Stock price going just a little bit down. Novartis, Zoom, Intelia, I think we went over others. Tencent. Tencent is one we did not go over. Present in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ETFs. And sold 2.4%. Square and Shopify. Sold 1% shares of Shopify. The stock price went up and hence net positive. So those were the biggest moves, guys. Really those, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.